There's a genocide! Stop coming! You're complicit in a genocide! You're complicit in a genocide! Eddie, there's a genocide! Eddie, there's a genocide! Come on, Eddie! There's a genocide! You're complicit in genocide of the Palestinian people! You are complicit! Come on, Eddie! Eddie, help us! Eddie, help us save them! Come on, Eddie! The Israeli terrorists are committing a genocide, and the U.S. Congress and Senate are complicit in funding the bombs that are forcing children to be slaughtered and massacred. Shame on this government. The United States of America is complicit in genocide. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children. They are massacring children.
If they'll arrest veterans, they'll arrest you.
Stop the bombs! 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 Shame on you! You're complicit! This is your legacy! This is your legacy!
Because you have to leave.
Hey.
You're not allowed to film in the room. That's
So you have to leave.
civil liberties are just like completely short. This
have to
is
leave.
absurd. You're going to touch a veteran like that? It's absolutely absurd.
You just have to leave.
I'm not a veteran.
Why are they arresting you? Why are they arresting you? Aguilar, talk to the camera. Why are they arresting you?
You're arresting us for speaking out against genocide.
Stop the bombs!
The U.S.
Stop the
Congress
bombs!
is paying for the death of
Stop
children,
slaughtering babies!
women and children.
Stop slaughtering babies! Stop fighting. We are being arrested right now for interrupting a foreign affairs hearing on nominations because the U.S. is complicit in genocide. They are complicit in the slaughter of babies.
When the United States Congress comes after veterans, they will come after you. Every American sitting at home right now needs to realize that you are paying for a genocide. Take us home.
Rise up!